Good evening. From Pag-asa Weather and Flood Forecasting Center, here's the latest in our weather. Cloud cluster inside our Philippine area of responsibility has now developed into a low-pressure area at 4 in the afternoon today. The LPA was located at 780 kilometers east of Mindanao. Pag-asa weather forecaster Buddy Javier said the LPA has a slim chance to develop into a tropical cyclone within 24 hours. However, this will bring light to moderate rains over Caraga and Davao region. Meanwhile, tonight, tail end of a cold front is affecting Bicol region. Expect light to moderate rains over Bicol region, Aurora, and Quezon. Aside from tail end of a cold front, northeast monsoon is affecting northern, central, and the rest of southern Luzon. This will bring cold weather with light rains over Metro Manila, Rizal, Laguna, and the rest of central Luzon. Same weather condition applies to Cagayan Valley, Cordillera, and Ilocos region. And due to the surge of northeast monsoon, Pag-asa lifted gale warning over the seaboards of northern Luzon and eastern seaboards of central Luzon. Expect rough to very rough sea conditions. Wave height may reach from 3.4 to 4.5 meters. And since northeast monsoon or amihan is one of the prevailing weather system, the Weather Bureau has recorded a list of places with lowest temperature today, December 15, 2014. First on our list is Basco, chilling at 15.6 degrees Celsius, followed by Baguio City with 15.8 degrees Celsius. 17.9 degrees Celsius was the lowest temperature recorded in Malaybalay. Lawag at 20.7 degrees Celsius, and completing our list is Tuguegarao with 22 degrees Celsius. No more about holiday season or Misa de Gallo coming your way when we return.
Kainan na! At syempre, hindi kumpleto kapag walang kanin. Almusal, hapunan, sa karinderya, restaurant, only rice, half rice, brown, puti. Sa bahay, opisina, pati sa eskwela. Basta, wag lang may maaksaya. Palay, bigas, kanin, wag sayangin.
Bigyang halaga ang mga munting butil upang tayo'y pagpalain ng isang masaganang ani.
Isang paalala mula sa Department of Agriculture.
Misa de Gallo, or popularly known as Simbang Gabi here in the Philippines. Basically, today is the first day, but for those who want to attend Mass early in the morning, tomorrow is also the first day of Misa de Gallo held during early dawn. For our Christmas trivia, Misa de Gallo or Simbang Gabi, introduced by Spaniards, is a series of 9 dawn masses from 16th to the 24th of December. It is a typical Filipino way of preparing for the Feast of Christmas. And in traditional Filipino belief, completing the novena means God would grant the devotee's wish or favor. To make your first day of Misa de Gallo more meaningful and special, why not attend to masses held at Baraswain Church, a Roman Catholic church built in 1630 in Malolos City, Bulacan. Did you know that 3 of the major events in the Philippine history happened in Baraswain Church? These are the convening of the First Philippine Congress, drafting of Malolos Constitution, and the inauguration of the First Philippine Republic. So make your first day Misa de Gallo meaningful. Visit Baraswain Church this holiday season. And for our kababayan preparing for Simbang Gabi, here's the weather forecast from Pag-asa. For Luzon, Metro Manila, Tuguegarao, Lawag, and Baguio City, temperature will range from 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. For Olongapo, Tagaytay, Lipa, Legazpi, and Puerto Princesa, temperature plays within 20 to 31 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, for Visayas area, particularly at Iloilo, Bacolod, Metro Cebu, and Tacloban, expect 24 to 31 degrees Celsius. And lastly, for Mindanao, Cagayan de Oro, Metro Davao, and Zamboanga City, temperature is from 24 to 34 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, on our sky events, waning crescent moon is up in the sky on 16th of December. During this phase, the moon is nearly on a line with the Earth and Sun when the moon's day side is facing away from the Earth, the reason why we see only a slender fraction of the moon. Waning crescent moon is also called an old moon, and on the 16th, waning crescent moon will have 32% illumination. To end tonight's forecast, tomorrow sun will rise at 6:13 in the morning and set at 5:29 in the afternoon. That's the latest in weather. Follow us on Twitter or visit our Facebook account and website for more information. This is Panahon TV, always first in bringing timely and accurate weather information. I'm your weather buddy, Jessie Basco. Good evening.